Today I'm checking out this new drone. It's the TT19. It has brushless motors, which allows for more control over the drone. This drone will do flips. It has object avoidance detection on it. It has a 4K camera and is just all around fun. So let's get this unboxed real quick and then we'll take it outside. Okay, so the drone itself comes in a nice little carrying case. You have your manual, some extra blades, charging cables, and it also has some rotor guards for it as well. I like that. You have your remote control and the drone itself. The drone uses a little battery that goes right back here. And I've already charged it up to make sure it's ready to go for whenever we get to using it. I like the color instead of that dull gray that you see on a lot of drones lately. And then it has the camera on the front that can pivot up and down as you fly. So there's your drone. There we go, here's the drone. Of course you have the fun little tricks it can do, such as flips. It does have some guards you can put around the rotors here to prevent it from slamming into stuff. It also has avoidance detection mode. I'm gonna turn that on now. And let's see. And don't really wanna go. So it's doing pretty good there. So it's driving a lot slower with that. Let's turn that off. We'll turn the speed up and we'll take off for a little quick run around my yard. The turn mechanism is a little bit jumpier, but you see that camera does pretty good there. You can also rotate the camera up and down. We can go see my chickens. And they're not big fans of it. I do like using these to herd my chickens. See my chickens over there. It's a few of them. Anyway, get out from under the trees and the power line and we can go up. Up we go. And take a look around and tilt my camera back up. It is pretty bright out here today. All right, we're just gonna bring it on down. And there you go. This is the TT19 drone. So if you're looking for a good little drone to have fun with and play with, take some good camera pictures, and it's a good starting drone because it does have that obstacle avoidance technology in it. And so it kind of drives a little bit slower when you do it that way. There you go.